For more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com. This is Dark Cybernetics, mathematics for computer scientists, area of a trapezoid. Follow along with our free course documentation. In this video, we will quickly discuss how to compute the area of this trapezoid. In this example, we have to compute the sum of the bases, and the bases generally are the top and bottom lines. In this case, the upper portion, what we will call B1, is the value 4, and the bottom line in this case will be our base 2. As we know, we will also need to know the height to compute the area in many cases, also for computing the area of squares. It has a similar formula for computing the area of a trapezoid. We need to simply just need to know the leg values, which is the height, and in this case both leg values will be the same, so we'll give just a single line for both of the values, and we need to use the area formula, which is 1/2 of the height values times the sum of the two bases. So we can say that A is equal to 1/2, which can be rewritten, times our height value. We just write H here this time, and we need to multiply it by the sum of the two bases of base 1 and base 2. Okay, base 2. So we need to examine and plug and play our variables. So we need to say that A is equal to 1/2 of the value. We can also put the whole expression under 2 to save time, but in this case we will write out each step so people will not be lost. So we just need to plug and play B1 and B2, and we can write 1/2 here times this 3, right? And we need to do the order of operations by getting the summation of the base 1 and base 2 variables. So 4 plus 6, okay, and as we know, 4 plus 6, it will go first, so 4 plus 6 is of course 10, and we need to multiply it by 3. Let's put it in brackets here, and we were running out of room, all over 2, right? We can simplify the expression, right? So we can look at that and solve it and know that it's 15, but let's keep going anyway. Let's write the 1 here so we can differentiate it. That's 30 over 2. So let's write it on the side so we can see it. Our area is equal to 30 over 2. And let's write the solution the same color inside of the region so we can tell that it's the answer for this find the area of a trapezoid. And for more information, please visit our website at DarkCyberetics.com.